Hello, my name is Rachel. In this video, we're talking about affiliate marketing for beginners. Are you excited? Let me know in the comment section what your experience has been so far with affiliate marketing. For me, coming into the online space, I started with affiliate marketing actually. So I watched so many videos on YouTube and I saw so many teachings. Some were on Expertnia, some were daily, some seller. There were a lot of affiliate marketing platform. But what I didn't know, I don't know that there were things I needed to do to have before I could succeed in the affiliate marketing world. So here is what happened. I started my affiliate marketing and of course my money went. Yes, I felt like I was scammed. Like I felt it was very painful for me. So if you're looking to start an affiliate marketing stuff, you want to start an online business, you're looking to start an online business and you're thinking, oh, what should I do? Affiliate marketing? Yes, they might tell you it's good for you. Yes, it might be good for you. For me, it's not good for me because number one, there are things you need basically to start an affiliate marketing. First and foremost, you need an audience you want to sell the market to. You need an audience you've built over time to sell the market. If you don't have the audience, my dear, you don't need affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is not for you. You can as well start a YouTube channel. So me, I ventured into this and I paid for the yearly subscription. They say we should pay for 1 year subscription. I'm not going to be mentioning the platform I paid for, but in that affiliate marketing platform, here's what I got. I paid for it. I paid 10,000 naira actually, and this is what happened. I went into their platform. There was no product to sell. There was actually no product to sell. Even the product I sought to sell, I couldn't sell them because I didn't have the target audience for such kind of product. So my dear, if you're looking to start affiliate marketing, please already have an audience you want to sell this market to. And also you will need a landing page where people can come into with the link and buy this product so you can get gain. Basically, you might ask, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is taking on that person's products and selling it from that person and getting some proportion of the gain out of it as a middleman who sold this product. So let me know in the comment section what your experience has been so far with affiliate marketing. For me, it wasn't a pleasant experience. I felt as if I was duped. Yes, I felt that way. So before you start your affiliate marketing, please do your research before you invest your money into any online site that deals with affiliate marketing. Do your research, know what you need, know if it's worth your investment. Or better still, you can start a YouTube channel like I did. So yeah, you can start a YouTube channel and it's a good place to start. People are making lots of millions with YouTube channel. And for your information, YouTube is kind of the second largest visited platform right now. So you can actually make money out of Google AdSense. So start a YouTube channel. For me, I found that affiliate marketing wasn't for me. So I jumped into doing freelancing. Of course, that one didn't work too. And I'm trying out YouTube and I love doing YouTube. I love doing YouTube. And I hope you subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much. This is basically what I have to tell you about affiliate marketing. Let me know in the comment section what your experience has been so far. Mine wasn't pleasant. Mine pained me for so long. So let me know what yours is. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.